There we go. CLs, CL, everything is popping now. Everything is going crazy now. Everything. So how we doing? Everything is going crazy. What's there? $27 days, 28. Tesla broke that 197.50. I was looking to take it short, but I said, yeah, I relax. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Yeah. Hit the like button for me, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Appreciate that. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, please, and thank you, and hit the like button. And don't forget to come back. Check on us. The only way you'll know I go live is you hitting the notification bell. Okay? And hit all so you know when to get the stock picks of the day. Okay? Each day at 9 a.m. If you go to the YouTube shorts, you should see all the stock pick of the day every day before 9 a.m. or maybe a little bit after, give and take. 9:05, 9:01, but you'll get it before the market opens for sure, I guarantee you. Okay? And again, I'm not a financial advisor. I only share my picks, ladies and gentlemen, and my trades. Okay? Remember, you have to do your own research. If you want to join our free Discord, come on over and join our free Discord. The link is in the comment section. Okay? So get familiar with us, and also come over and follow me on TikTok as well. Okay? But where you'll normally see me on most time is in the Discord and on YouTube. Okay? But follow me on TikTok as well. Okay, looking forward to build an Instagram and some other more channels. But for right now, we have TikTok, YouTube, and our Discord going for right now. Okay, so Tesla. Yes. Tesla, yes. What are you saying? Tesla is saying, look at me. Microsoft say, look at me. That's what it's saying. MSFT. You're hanging with the Zen Trader with Steve Reed here at, yes, you're telling me, 261.82. lift. I'm ready for lift. Lift. I think LYFT. I was ready for lift. Lift. Okay, now lift. I'm ready for lift. I'm ready for lift. Okay, lift. Let's go. Let's go, lift. Let's go, lift. Let's get lift over this 1050 here. And put our stop loss at 1030 at the low, okay? 1030 the low on lift, okay? Waiting on lift to go higher here. It's been beat up today. Under the low. I got it at 1049, so a little bit before 1050, okay? And we got our stop loss in, so that's what we're gonna do. See if we could get a 30 cents out of lift, right? Let's get our target up here. This is our target between the VWAP and here at 1080, okay? So we're looking for 30 cents. Anything above that, we golden, okay? We golden. Alright, and anything under 1030, it's a loss. Okay, so we watch that. How's the market move? Andrew, what's going on? Good day today. Yes, it was. It was. You know how we do, Andrew. You know how we do it. I'm just here watching the market, you know, doing what it do. The MPH came back down. It's 77 degrees outside right now. Finally sold your EMPH. I got such a good entry at 205. I sold out 3/4 of it and just rocking with 200 shares now. So that's all I got left in the EMPH. I know some people are still holding. Hit the like button for me, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. I appreciate that. Everything is popping up. It's funny. I said it's 77 degrees outside, and the AI ChatGPT put up the temperature in big. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful. What are you into now, Andrew? Let's pull back some Tesla. Let's look at Tesla. What Tesla doing? Well, Tesla is telling me, look at me. What do you want to do? Look at me. We want Tesla back over the 200. Yeah, we want Tesla back over 200. I'll take a long. You remember the other day it took such a long time to get over that 200. I need Tesla back over 200. Let's set up for that now. The way this market is going, I don't know, but you know, it's Friday. Remember, it's Friday, okay? We We get 200 out of Tesla, maybe we could get 205. Hello. Okay. And LYFT is stuck right here in between 1050 and 1030. Establish a trading channel here. Look at this little trading channel here. So we need a pop up, come down, then you know we out of LYFT, okay? The only one I had long today was net. And let's see where net is now. And ET. Did I miss the long yet? No. I need net over 59.30. Okay, so just keep that. Net over 59.30, I'm looking for net over 59.30. I'm looking for LYFT over 1050. Okay. NVDA is still looking good. Melting away. Okay. 212. 212. 212. Anything above 212, we're gonna be stopping out all shear size of NVDA. That was a great trade today. Just be patient, patience, man. PayPal. I could look at PayPal. We were talking about PYPL yesterday. PayPal. PayPal. Wow. Look at PayPal. Where's my chart? You see what's happening on my chart? Left me? No, I'm saying my chart, my indicators left me. No, I didn't. It just disappeared. I don't know why. I was trying to work it. Here we go. PayPal. We got one. Look at these double tops here on our PayPal. Okay. Look. Look at PayPal. PayPal is in a downtrend right now. If I'm going to take PayPal, I take it on a 78.80 short. That's where I would like to take it short. Okay. Okay. And we have, as you can see, PayPal already established a trading channel. Look at it. This is a channel right here. 79.70, right? Every time it touches this area here, 79.70. It bounced back off, so these are areas that I will be watching for PayPal. And if you want to trade it, come down here, bounce back up, right back down. If you like trading like that, I don't like to trade like that, but if you like to trade like that, that's how you would have to trade PayPal now. Okay? Look at it now. Okay? 79.70. You would have to break over that for me to go long on PayPal. Okay? That's the only way I would take it. Right now it has a trading channel between 79.70 and 78.80. Okay, a good one. Let's wait, just like how we're waiting on PayPal to break higher. Okay, look at it, bounce, bounce, and going higher. Now we're waiting to see if it breaks here again. Okay, 79.50, double top, boom. Okay, and look, I don't really need charts, really, tell you the truth. I don't need indicators. I just know, look, yeah. That was a 1 minute chart I was looking at. There you go, 5 minute chart. I normally trade on a 5 minute chart, so here we go. Here we go. LYFT is showing resistance here. Trading channel, resistance, support. It breaks under here, then you know I'm out. Okay? I'm looking for LYFT to pull. Look at LYFT this morning. We wrote it down. And then we got out here. And waiting for it to come back up. If not, we okay. We have our stop loss in. We have our stop loss in. 10:30. On LYFT. It happens. AI. Andrew, no problem. You're welcome. Share the live for me, guys. Share the live for me, Andrew. Tell a friend, come on over and hang out with us. $10.30 is my stop loss on LYFT. If the push comes to shove, then we'll get it long at 10.50. But we're shorted LYFT twice today. I'm so sorry. I'm hanging out, chilling. I'm chilling. If you're watching, if you're first time here, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe to the channel. All right? I should have me a cigar. Let's look at AI. C3 AI. We got major support at 22. Look at that 22 support area here. Look at that nice support area there. I'm not even rocking with any indicators right now. 22. It's down 0.50%. Higher lows. There we go. It's a break high. There you go. Low. Look at it. Pull back. Look at that. if I'm looking for AI to get higher, I'm looking for 2880, right? That's where I would take it. Okay, 2880. Where's my 2280? I'm sorry. That's why it went disappear. 2280. I apologize. 2280. That's why it went so high. 2280. We'll get that there, and then we'll go to our daily and erase some of these. Catastrophic. 27. Look at the chart. So as you could see, I've been trading this for quite some time. Look at the $13 range here. Look at that. Boom. Boom. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's just that I love it. I love it. Tesla fell. And then at our 22, I'll be watching AI at 22. Okay? That's just me. I'm just saying, you know. I look for my support and resistance area here. And I just wait. I just wait. I play the waiting game. I'm not going to force. I need volume behind it. I need to see some bid and ask, okay? And the market change of direction. Those are three things I'm looking for in a reversal in the stock. The trend, the bid and ask, okay, and volume coming behind it, right? And that's what's going to drive this stock higher, or it's going to drive the stock lower. And we need more people, and again, we're in lunchtime, so trading tend to be lower at that time of the day, okay? LYFT. We have a trading channel on LYFT, see? Yeah, let me look at the SPY and see what the SPY is doing. Right now the SPY is at 405.91. Let's see. SONO. Oh. It's down almost 5%. Look at that chart earlier this morning. Look at that chart yesterday. Wow. 1, 2. Let's see what it creates. 1. See if it creates a bottom here. It would have to break this previous, right? Let's go. That's the only way I would take this. It's already down though. 1980 is the bid, the ask right now. Yeah, I want to see it over here. See where it comes. This is right. Let's analyze some scenarios here, and then you could see. Okay. Here, Sono came down and found a support, right, and bounced right back up, right, and got rejected up here at 2021. Matter of fact, rejected up here at 2030. Okay, let's establish some of that. If this was me, right? So we establish, okay, this is the low because it came down and formed a low here. Now, what would you want to do? Okay, support, bounce, came back down, broke support again, and now trying to break support now becomes resistant. Okay, let it come through here. The next one I'm looking for is right here at 20. Okay, so I'm gonna look for it at 20. Right, let it come up. If it's gonna come up and do what it needs to do with some volume, okay, volume coming behind it. Here we go, 20, right? 20 breaks 20, okay? And now I want to see it break 20 and use 20 as a support now, because look where 20 is. This was a previous support, now it becomes resistant. Previous support, now comes resistant. So each time it breaks through resistant, now we're gonna look. Look where the next resistance is. So this is your profit window here. If it's gonna break this, boom. Okay? Or maybe start off with a small share size here, and then you'll add as it break with volume going higher. And then look where the next resistance is. So as you're going up, and if, only if, okay, only if you have volumes going behind this stock onto the upside, okay? So from the bottom, resistant, previous support becomes resistant, previous support comes resistant, and if it doesn't break any of these, back down, right? All right, so that's what that is. Okay, so if I'm looking at this stock and I'm going to trade it, there's several different scenarios I'm waiting for. I'm not going to jump into this right now. Okay, I'll wait till it with some volume and then use this resistance as support. And then here we go, another resistance again. It needs another resistance. It has to break through this one. Use this as support again. And bounce, and look, we have another resistance. Okay, got to break through that one, use that as a support, and then go higher, right? And then look, resistance up here again, because this is the first top, right? So if I was waiting, yeah, I could wait for up here. But if you want to trade this little by little, up, or enter here and then go, look, let's see what the daily look like. Look at the daily. It gapped up. Pull back. This is that candle. All that is in the candle that we just looked at. This red here. That's that pullback. Okay? Look at your weekly. Look at your weekly. These are the lines that we just drawn up. It spiked through that already. Look where it's at. 2134, okay? But if you go over here, it's almost trying to form a cup, right? On the weekly, but look where the weekly is over here, on 624.22. Look where all of that is, okay? Daily, monthly, this is where we draw all the lines. Look where another resistance is, 2233. That's on the monthly. It's coming up off the bottom here, but it got to get through those resistance first. Look at the top intel, okay? So you're looking for more data, you go through here. This was in 2021 where I trade Sono. Look, it's still there. 8/31/2021. When I took it from up here down. Okay? demonstrate and watch that. Loon, you're welcome, my friend. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and let you know when we post a video. If the SPY break 4,550, we have a downside more. I got 5 cents to go in. Let me put. See, Sono was on my watch list. Let me put this on my Zen Trader watch list now. As a matter of fact, let's put the alert so at least I know. 20. Let's put the alert at 20. 20. I got my alerts all set. I'm all alert out. What's up there? Just gonna have fun with this. I love it when a plan comes together, okay? Uh, 2030. 2030. Okay? So that's my stages. I'm staging it up, okay? All right. I'm gonna leave it, let it be. Get ready to come out of LYFT at 10:30. Got 5 cents to go. Got a trading channel. So we know LYFT wants to go down. So that'll be it. Alright. How's everybody doing on this Friday? I hope you guys are doing great. Listen, since last year we talked about trading this year, the whole year, okay? And I wanted you guys to follow my journey on that 251 trading days, okay? In this year alone. Andre, what's up? Red again. Why? Follow my journey, okay? This is day 28, okay? If you join us in the Discord, you'll get all of that info. If you subscribe to the channel, you get all that info, okay? 9 a.m., if you look into the shorts at 9 a.m., you'll get the stock pick of the day if you don't follow me on any of the links in the comment section, okay? Mark, you could go ahead and run that those links again. Yeah. What did you trade today, Andre? While you read. Let me know what stock so we could look at it. AMD. Let's go to AMD. Why not? Because each one teach ones, right? Each one teach one. What was your entry on AMD? Let's look at it. And I'm not using no indicators on my chart right now. Just so you can imagine if I put indicators on my chart. Give me a number, Andre. We could have traded AMD 81.30. $81.30. One minute. 2 minutes. 3 minutes. 81.30 long. That was nice. That was nice. You hold on too long. So 81.30 was right here. That was a nice candle to get off, and you should have been out at the top here. Or took a partial somewhere around 81.90, 82. I like to take profit into the strength of the stock, or unless you were trying to hold it for longer, but then the volume change, right? Market change direction. Here you go. Market change direction. Look at this one. You enter here. I would have taken a partial, because look, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. I would took partial into the strength of this stock here. I'd like to take partial into the strength of the stock going up. I don't want to start taking partial when it retracts and come back down, then you lose, right? Into the strength, much better. So this was a winning trade, Andre. Now, if you hold full position and didn't take a partial, yes, this bounce back here, you're gonna pull back. Look at the area here where you're enter. It found support there, right? Worst case scenario, right? You didn't get out. It retract back to your entry. Look again. It give you a second time to say, hey, listen, you missed the first one. Look, I'm gonna give you a second chance. Boom. Then I would have take take my next partial again, which would have been rinse and repeat, right? Up, get out, trade it down, back to your entry, bounce again, take another partial, bounce right back. And at this point, here go your trading channel. This is what you would have to establish already. Is this stock making a channel? Look at the trading channel. Okay, between 82.50, right? That's what it's doing right now. Look at that, trading channel. Up, came down, broke it, came back through it. Even if it comes down here, look where it's at. Broke through it one more time, right up. And that's exactly where you got in, that 81.30. Perfect. Look at it on the reversal side, 81.30. Support, right? Came back down, broke support again. Boom. Now, where I'm looking for this one more time, 81.30, if it comes back up, right? If it comes back up, I'm looking for 81.30, all right? 1, 2, 3, triple top. 1, forming a bottom here. Here goes one here. Here goes one here. Here goes one here. Okay? So my next level I'm looking for 81.30. Okay? Again. So I don't know what you did on that. You traded twice. This was one. This was twice. And look, back up to that same area again. Out into the strength of the stock. I would be out here. This one. At least partial. 3/4 out. Leave a partial. And if the partial come back, you have your stop loss set up to protect the rest of the profit. Look at LYFT. right? Here go lift. 3 cents to go before lift breaks. All right. It was upside. Yes, it was. It was. You just got to know when to take your profit. How much you're looking for. Always want me to play the song Calm Down. Oh no. Okay, there you go. Boom. And there go lift at my 30. I'm not giving it any more than that. Oh no. I just add to lift. Look at that. Look at that. I just add to lift. Oh, this mango is sweet. I'm sorry. Wow. I'm sorry. I'm enjoying this mango right here. I'm sorry. I apologize. A mango. A mango, Peter. So you see what happened? I try to get out of lift and wind up adding. But look, breaks 10:30. So I stick to my principle, and I'm not letting it get any more than that. NVDA is melting. Look at NVDA. Look at NVIDIA. 219, right? Look at NVIDIA. My stop loss was at 221. I could bring it down here. 211. Change that up. 211. A new stop loss for NVIDIA. It comes back up. I'll be out. All share size of NVIDIA. Okay? NVIDIA. We're writing it down. We're writing NVIDIA down. Okay? Seems like it already established in established low here. Excuse me. Establish a bottom here. Let's see. This mango is amazing. Babe, I think this is the best one we had so far. This is from Publix, right? Yeah. Sometimes it's a hit or miss. It's so amazing. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. You know, you got to get it in when you're trading, no matter how. Excuse my professionalism, but you can't say no. And we're supposed to be summertime. Summertime fruits. I'm sorry. We'll get back to you shortly. Woo! That was amazing. That was sweet. All right. That was delicioso. Watch the stock market. Watch the S&P. Watch the S&P. Watch volume. Trend is your friend. Watch the bid and ask. And here we go, ginger. Okay? Got some mango. Now I'm having ginger. Spies at 4-6. And watch any news. I mean, you know, you could follow the news too. Anything that's happening in the market, somebody come out and speak, like JP. The Fed comes out and speak. That moves the market. And there's weakness right now. EMPH, look at EMPH yesterday. We caught EMPH down here, look. 205, 205.63 on EMPH, okay? Look at that. Down here. Settle. I took my first partial right here, right? 217 before it breaks down. I'm still holding partial. Not hurting me anyway because they haven't touched down here yet. Look, form another bottom here. Yeah? Look at it. So I'm holding my position even though I still took profit all the way on the pullback. Look at that candle here. Could have took a partial there, out, but I waited. There you go. Support. It's going to break. Take the partial before it breaks. Now, if I had continued, I could have moved my my stop loss up, right? That's it. Now we have a range, right? Now there's a new range. Okay? Here, 217 and 211.75. That's a range right there. Okay. Now if it's gonna break this one again, as you see, this was support. Boom, breakthrough support. Coming back up, then support becomes resistant and will break again to the high, right? That's what you're looking for. Or you're gonna break underneath the low, right? That's what I'm looking for in ENPH. Okay, I'm not looking for anything else. Now, if I go up here and I put in, let's see if we could find this here. Let's put the VWAP. Okay. So, for instance, right? Putting the VWAP in, I now have an area where I could look. Yeah, it's definitely a casino for real, Andre. So, talking about a trading channel and support and resistance, right? Now I add the VWAP. Here goes the VWAP. Now I could use this as an additional indicator if I want to take this stock higher, okay? And I'll show you how I would take this higher. I need to see EMPH break through the VWAP. Say you wasn't in EMPH, right? Or you just coming on and see EMPH. Okay, I establish a resistance area, I establish a support area. Now I put the VWAP in. Now I want to see what the stock is going to do. So I'm watching the VWAP area and I'm looking in bid and ask, right? We're at 214.74 and ask is at 213.73. So I'm looking for this number here, 214.80, at least 6 cents if somebody want to buy it at 214.80. I'm looking for the ask to be there, okay? If the ask is not there, I'm not going to take this straight through the VWAP, right? I'm not. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for volume. Look at the previous candle, red, right? And I'm just waiting for 214. Somebody bid it. Somebody bid it. Nothing is happening. I'm not going to take this trade. So anything below the VWAP is a short, right? Because it's a rejection. And anything above the VWAP, we could look for a possibility long, right? That's the mindset you gotta have when you're trading VWAP. I like trading through the VWAP. Like if you had got EMPH right here, boom, right? As you can see, you already broke through VWAP on the downside here. So what you gonna wait for? I'm gonna wait for it to break through VWAP again, right? Simple. That's just the basics. People have Fibonacci, people have EMA. There's so many different things. I could just use this alone and just trade all day. I just wait. All right? Happy Friday to everybody out there. It's been a great day. We're here. We're here. We're here. We're hanging out. Ready for the weekend. Anything else that's going on other than NVDA? CRM? Net. Let me look at net because net was supposed to be up today. Okay, net. Net. So I'm waiting on net above 59.30. Okay? I could happen, we even move it down closer. Let's see right here. 58.90. Let's do 58.90. 58.90. 58.90. We need some volume. Alright. Let's get it. We already established a bottom there, 58. So 58. Let's look at this here. If you check my stock pick, you'll see the stock pick of the day here. Okay. So 58 short. If it breaks here, 58 below, and we could watch net. Okay. We're not watching anything else. We're gonna watch net. Let's see if we could get some volume into net. That's what we're watching for. Okay. Let's watch net. 59, 15, 58, 58.90. Okay. Target 59.50, right? That's what, a 60 cents move? Okay, anything more than that, we golden then, right? We golden then. But we need volume behind it, right? We need volume behind it. Okay? But if we don't get it, we're gonna get it. It's quite okay. Because as it is, it's lunchtime and nothing really moving in the market. So be patient. Sean, what's going on? LYFT ain't moving yet. What's wrong? Oh yeah. Okay. Hold on. Let's see something here. I gotta take care of something real quick. It's always work, man. Always work, ladies and gentlemen. Always work. Let's see here. Always work. It never stops. Yeah, it never stops. Take care of this now. Take care of these bills. The bill collector don't play around, you know? The bill collector don't play around. So as I'm trading, you see the wife came out and said, hey, this need to be paid. Okay. Boom, boom. She's my secretary. I have to take care of that. All done. All done. Just like that. Done deal. That's it. Alright. LYFT. Sean, LYFT is just sitting right at the 1030. We'll get it. We'll get it to see what the market is doing. Nothing is happening. Made some volume behind LYFT. If I would have hold LYFT for that with those shares, yeah, 1050 on LYFT. 1050 on LYFT. I need volume behind it. And nothing happened in the market. RBLX. Let's look at RBLX. 58.90. RBLX. Let's look at RBLX. Hit the like button for me, ladies and gentlemen, please and thank you. I appreciate that. Oh yeah. Over 35 RBLX. RBLX over 35. Okay. RBLX over 35. Let me see what's printing right now. 35 and change. Not yet. I got resistance right here. See? Got resistance here. 3509. 3514. That's VWAP. The market is weak though. That was a nice come up off here, Sean, off 34.75. That was nice. Late to the party though. Would have to break through here. Okay, this area here. That was a good one off the bottom, Sean, if you had got RBLX off the bottom. That was great. Did I buy net? I did buy net, right? Yeah, I'm in net. Net. I take a partial out of net now. I take my partial out of net now. And come out the rest, the net at 58.90. Okay. Anything else? Anything else? If you're in here, just go ahead, put a thumbs up. Let me know you're in here. Hello, hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome to the trading channel. How I trade 251 trading days of 2023. Okay, net, NVDA, LYFT, and CRM. Those were the corporate of the stock pick of the day today, and amazing, amazing, amazing. Great trades today. Now you could look for reversal and not much going on in the market now. So slim pickings. There's hardly any volume in the market right now to even scalp, but we could watch net. Let me come out the rest of partial on net here, right? 200. I'm gonna finish with this. Yeah. Okay. And let's watch net at this 58.90. Okay. Let's watch net at 58.90. Okay. And then break through our target here. Our stop loss is gonna be 58.30. Okay, 58.30 stop loss. 58.30. 58.30 stop loss. 58.30 stop loss. Okay. So I took everything out of net. Okay. So now let's see if we could establish it's going to be a profit window. Okay. Let's go. Nothing's going on. Yes, Sean. Thank you, thank you. Put a thumbs up. Thank you, everybody. Put a thumbs up. Put a thumbs up. Let me get those thumbs up, please. If you're in the room, put a thumbs up, please, and thank you. If you're in the room, if you're not a robot, that's what they always ask. Put a thumbs up. So, I'm not a robot, so I'm putting a thumbs up. If you're in the room hanging out with me, put a thumbs up, please, and thank you. Some people may think I'm a robot, but I'm not a robot. I'm not a robot. Yes, can net breaks 59, 58.90. Let's vote. Can net break 58.90? Oh, there we go. There we go. Get ready. Get ready. Okay. What's going on? All right. Let's go. Penny to go. All right. I mean at 58.88. Let's go. We got our stop loss established. Okay, let's get some volume in the market. Let's see. Let's see. Two things can happen, right? Two things can happen. If you're in the channel here, hit the thumbs up for me, ladies and gentlemen. Please and thank you. Appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up for me. Let me know that you're in here with me. Come on, Nat. There we go. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. And I'm looking for lift at 1050, okay? We need help from the market. Come on, Nat. It's your turn now. Let's see. 58.91 I'm looking at right now. 58.92. Yeah, let's get some volume in here. Come on. Pull back a little bit. We need some volume behind this here. As we see, we established our stop loss, right? 58.30 and 58.90. So that's almost like 50 cents. Put a thumbs up for me, ladies and gentlemen, please and thank you. If you're in the room hanging out with me, go ahead. Put a thumbs up for me. I appreciate that if you could do that. Woo, 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 woo. All right, let me open up voice here. right. Edwin, what's good? What's good, my brother? Huh? What's going on? We here, man. Yeah, yeah. There's no volume in the market right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. There you go. The same thing right here on off this net play right now. We're taking this net play off the bottom right now. Yeah. Oh, there you go. There you go. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen, what we talk about. Come on, net. You guys with me? Oh, man. Look at that. And I did this with nothing on the chart, right? We did this with nothing on the chart, right? So, 58.88. Okay, our stop loss is 58.30. Okay, so we established that our target is going to be 59.50. If it doesn't break that, then we're right back to our entry, right? But I'm looking for that price target. If it doesn't make it, I could come out. I could come out that trade. Resistant. Yeah. 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 Yeah, absolutely. Or come out a partial out of it. Look. Mm-hmm. We're looking good so far. Yeah. So that's why I say take the target before the VWAP. If anything, it gets over here. It only gonna be good for us. Then we could move our stop loss up. Move your stop loss up from minus 30 to even, and you took profit. And then if it comes back to your entry, you're fine. You win no matter what. Yeah, absolutely. But nothing is in the market right now. Yeah. EMPH went all the way up to, let me see where it was. 220, man. 220.25. There we go. We talked about this earlier, right, Mark? I threw the VWAP on the EMPH. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. You just gotta wait. This was the pullback here, right? Now, look, I waited. Boom. Got rejected. Find support. Lower. eyes. Make another support and bounce in again. Okay? Here we go. Straight through the VWAP. This would be my trade right here. VWAP breakthrough. I love trading through VWAPs. I love it. I just love it, because yeah. And there you go. Those are the two candles right there. Look at the two green candles. Look at those volume bars. Boom. So look at net. Net pull back. Look at that pullback on net. Look at that pullback on net. Yeah, it's there. It break through it. It's just that we didn't have a continuation to go higher. But you establish your stop loss. Yeah, that's it. You learn every day. The stock market, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, not only I take that, but I go back after I'm done trading for the day and go back and check and check. Yeah. If I do, I would have to go to my OBS and record it, and I could replay it. Sometime I do it. It's just that I don't want to take up too much memory. Yeah. So you see the rejection on net? See the rejection on net? Okay, let's see what happened. This is the low now. We would have to come back and broke 58, but we established 58.30, right? Is our stop loss. I don't see anything going on in the market, really. Let me see. This is what I would do. Boom. Oh, man. I missed my NVDA. Out NVDA. Out NVDA. I missed my NVDA. Now we could go long on NVDA. 212. 212. 212 on NVIDIA. 212. On NVIDIA. It's your time now, NVIDIA. Let's ride, let's ride. Let's get something in the market right now. NVIDIA, it's your time now. 212. Let's go. Establish our stop loss. Let's get into our VWAP on NVDA. Let's go. Remember to watch left at 1050. At 1030 is that big support on that mark. Yeah, 1030 is holding it, huh? It's holding at 1030. AMD. Let's look at AMD. That entry on AMD was above 81.30. That was your entry. And 81.30 would have been 30 cents. And anything above that, see you later. Now let's see if it used the VWAP and then bounce, right? Remember we talk about AMD coming up through this area here. Look, support becomes resistant, support becomes resistant, support becomes resistant. Break through the resistant, support. Now you got VWAP to deal with. It's just the market is not strong to take these stock up. Yeah, even though this was great if you had got it at 81, boom, two candles, 3 candles, boom, that's it, out. And net, yeah, these are 5-minute candles. Like sometime when I can't find trades, I go to the, on the 5-minute, I go to the 1-minute. Like yesterday, what we did with EMPH, or the other day we did with EMPH, all day it was just not giving us anything. We went to the 1-minute and we took advantage of the trade. Just got to be patient for the stock to develop too. Yeah. And when I don't see anything going on, I check a 15-minute. I could check 30 minutes sometime, but 9 times out of 10, I'm doing 5 minutes. And every once in a while, I check my 15-minute and the daily to see where the stock is doing for the day. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I like the action though. That's where I make most of my plays, in the action, you know? Yeah. But every once in a while I stretch it out to just see what's going on out there. And even though net rejected, look where the trading channel is. So either two things is going to happen now. Is it going to break up or it's going to come right back down and hit our stop loss. And it's okay. Remember, it's okay. When you go into a trade and you set up your range, live with it. Win or lose, live with it. That's the only way you're going to get over the emotion. If you live with it. You know, yeah. So losing trades, it's a lesson too. My losing trade, I learned from my losing trade. And then again, Maybe because I lose in that trade, it was a right setup, but there was no volume. So the stock didn't go my way. So I'm anticipating volume to get the stock through a resistance, and it doesn't happen. What's going to happen the next thing? Set up my stop loss to stop the bleeding. I can't set it any better than that. If it's past my stop loss, right? This is up. If it passed my stop loss, I set it up and it passed it. Okay. I may say, okay, I give myself one more candle just to see. But then that one more candle, that's it. I'm not going to let it pass it unless you're holding it for long term. Okay? Yeah. Or at 10, if you gave it 5, and you add 5 more to it, you know, after that, might as well you hold it. And a perfect example, yeah. I think I have something out there. I said, you have to learn how to lose in order to win. And I have my shares of loss. I have my shares of losses to where now, yeah, I could manage my trade now. I could manage trades now. Get ready for LYFT over this 1050. I've been waiting on LYFT. Look at NVDA now, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready for LYFT. $10.50 on LYFT. Look at NVDA. Look at NVDA. Beautiful. Nice. Look at NVDA. It should be 80 cents in the money or so on NVDA. Boom, there you go, 81 cents. I'm just watching that. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, stock pick of the day. There you go. Stock pick of the day. It's on my sticky note. It's on my sticky note. If you don't believe me, there you go. I live by it. Yeah, that's it. It's all over the place. And I could watch all the stock pick of the day and trade those up and down because those are the stock I'm focusing on. Win or lose. And I'm going to tell you, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to win. As we complete 28 trading days of 2023. There we go. Yeah, man. Oh, they coming. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh yeah. And I got to make sure my emotion is under control at all times. Man. I got to make sure my emotional is under control. Yeah. I want these stocks to do what I want it to do, not what the stock want me to do. You know what I mean? And then again, I have no control of what the stock does. All I know that I'm plotting and I'm waiting and I'm watching, and there's some variables that allow that to happen. Market direction, volume, institutional, retail traders, and a factor in emotional traders, you know. It's all there, man. Look at NVDA, and I'm not doing anything else. I'm just looking at those two. I'm giving you two stocks out of the stock pick of the day. So not only I accomplished my goal already in the stock, I was done for the day. Now I'm in the stock for a reversal. Right? Here we go. Boom. Just on NVIDIA alone, I'm done for the day. And if you're coming in the market to take from the market, look at that. We just played NVIDIA. Let's go to it. I just wanted to show this because this is what we said, right? NVIDIA, 210.40 stop loss, and we're going to break over 212, right? I just got in a little bit early. That's just me. I know what I'm looking for. I know where it's coming, and it's going to go, and I'm going to take it. I don't know about anybody else, but I only know about me. I ain't telling you what to do, as I'm not a financial advisor. But look, ladies and gentlemen, look, there you go. That was the NVIDIA play. Now you tell me, netting me over 800 now. Right? Over 800. Look. This easy money. Now, if you want to come out and hang out with us, hey, listen. Join the Discord. Okay? Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Let you know when we go live. Okay? It's simple as that. It's not rocket science. We get paid to reverse that, as Edwin would say. Okay? I love what I do, and you can enjoy it too. Yeah, and you get to hang out with cool people like Edwin, Sean, and Mark, and myself. And we got some other people in here too when they're here, but we got some cool guys in here. Now, say if I wanted now, right? And this is just a teachable moment, right? It's a teachable moment. I'm going to take 3/4 of the trade. Oh, man. So, it's always, bro. Trust me, man. Trust me. Yeah, so 212 becomes my new stop loss, right? There you go, 212. Right underneath this candle here. And that's it. I get rid of that. Okay? That's it. If it comes back down here, it could break me out or use this as support again and bounce. But you know what? Even I could go as far and make my stop loss right down here at 211.22, right? Because my entry is is 211.93 if I want it, but I don't want it to lose that. I want to secure it. And if it comes back and stop me out, look how much I already made off NVDA on that play from down here. Right? From 211.93, we had 213. That's why I always say, take your profit into the strength of the stock. If anything happened, boom, you're out. And that trade is done. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Why not? Watch how this is gonna play. Did I know it's coming? No, I didn't know it's coming, but I planned for it. You see what I'm saying? I didn't know it's gonna reverse up here at the VWAP, but I know worst case scenario, the VWAP is another area of resistance. Not only the stock give you resistance, VWAP give you resistance. Alright? Look at the candle. Boom, top and tail. All the sellers say, you know what? You're not coming through this VWAP, not right now. You might want to go back down and find another support area, and look where the support area is before it breaks down. Right? Look where the support area is. Alright? Yasin. I thought I saw Yasin. Welcome to the new millionaire, Yasin. Or is it billionaire? Oh yeah, you're underneath the weather? Oh, okay. Oh. Awesome, awesome. Yes, likewise. Nice. Good, good, good. That's awesome. 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 LSDI fell. But we got some out of it yesterday, and that was good. Not much, but you know, that was good. Yeah, that was okay. Trading stock pick of the day: Net, NVDA, LYFT, and Salesforce was great. Yeah, we traded Net this morning. Yeah, that was good. Yeah. Oh man. We ride NVIDIA today like it was nothing. And then I'm riding it up from the bottom a little bit and set my stop loss. I could give it more if I wanted to, but you know, I was just being in a teachable moment a while ago, so. What? Wow. Nice, nice. Mm-hmm. Nice. Yeah. Oh. Oh man. Oh man. It's one of those things, man. It happens. It happens. That's beautiful. That was beautiful. That's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. And here it comes. I got 19 cents to be out. The rest are partial on NVDA. Right? Oh yeah. NVDA was beautiful. No. Yeah. There you go. And yeah, there you go. Oh. Uh-huh. Oh, thanks. Thank you. I appreciate that, man, and feel better. There you go. Out. Yeah. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Boom. How perfect is that? That was textbook perfect trade right there. It doesn't get any better than that. And that's why I'm saying allow yourself to let the stock work for you. Don't get it all emotional behind it. Set it, let it do what it do, and then that's it. Yeah, look at it. We took the trade, as I was saying, took into the strain of the stock, boom. I took 3/4 of the trade out. And then set my stop loss and protect the rest, right? Protect the rest out. Now let's go back to net, right? Yeah, I'm on YouTube as well. Yeah, sure. Yes, Andre. Appreciate that. And now, look. Now, net probably will be a loss, but you know what? Okay. Look at it. Resisting up here. Not much. We didn't get much out of net, but NVIDIA worked textbook perfect. Yeah, that's it. And it's going to happen. It's going to happen. So a lot of times you guys see me with green trade say, how does he do green trade and you don't get losing trade? Yeah, I do. I do get losing trade. But 9 times out of the 10, I'm in green because I stick to those principles. Yeah, I do. I'm going to have to put them out. Oh yeah, I got my 5 keys of trading. You know, my discipline. Yeah, I got 5 that I look at every single day, and it's right in front of me. It says Zen 5 keys to trading on the Discord, and I think we might have posted in the comment section here on YouTube. Yeah. Yeah, consistency, discipline, yeah, confidence, patience, and passion. Those are just 5. And then the other techniques that I have, I got several techniques. That was one we just demonstrated a while ago with NVIDIA. Oh yeah. And the other one we're waiting on is LYFT, over 1050. Yeah. over 1050. Lift was great this morning. As you can see, I shorted that this morning. Shorted here. NVDA and CRM, all of those. Yeah. Yeah. One day, Edwin. One day, Edwin. That's all I'm gonna do. Just behind the scene. Behind the scene. I didn't mess with Meta today. Yeah. Yes. Yes, sir. All right. Enjoy your weekend, Yasin, and yeah, we'll see you on Monday. Day number 29. Yeah, man. All right. Here you go. That's it. That's it. Right. Right. Hey, you too, bud. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is how we do it on the channel. You hear it first. Yasin came in and saying hello, coming in and checking in on us. See how we doing? It's what we do. Now, if I go back to my NVIDIA, am I mad about coming out of NVIDIA or don't give it a bigger stop loss? No, I'm not mad. Because you know what? I gain off that and I put my stop loss a little bit before my entry. And boom. If I could take 7 cents, I'm still in the green, regardless. Look at it now. 211.60, 211.78. There you go. Yeah. See what it does at 211.50. Boom. 211.50, 211.35. And look at 210. We could see it down to 210. 210. Look at my lines in my NVIDIA. Look at my lines in NVIDIA. You think somebody trade NVIDIA? Look how I trade NVIDIA. Make you dizzy. Let me clear it up. So, when people ask me, how you been trading it? Yeah, I've been trading it for quite some time. My lines prove it. Those are different areas where I might have took it. NVIDIA. Yeah. Look at that now. This was a perfect short right here at this 212. Again, like it did right here. Here was it one more time. Let me map this out for you. You ask me why I make it seem so easy. These are things I look for. We've been here before. There you go. Here's one. Here's another one. And that's why I don't try to fill up my chart with a bunch of stuff because I could. It's not saying I couldn't, but just trying to show you. I don't have to draw all this stuff, but I just know where it's at. Look, 1, 2, 1, 2. So what you think is going to happen for the next one if I'm going to look for NVIDIA to go? It got to come up through here one more time, right? It has to come up here one more time and attack it again to the VWAP. And this time, we're going to need it to have volume and a market trend. If not, the trend is down. Look where we at now. Another support area, right? This became resistant. Boom, up. Now this is support. Let's see if it comes down here. Right? So let's establish a trading channel now. Okay? This is a trading channel. And the VWAP. Huh? I like to go with volume coming behind me watching the bid and ask. I go full share size. If it's coming up slowly, I'll go half, and then I'll add as I go up. Sometimes, not all the time. Yeah. So say even if I miss a trade and it just went through my entry, I want to see a pullback, and then a pullback, I'll go full share size then. Or if I enter late, a little bit late, and I got it and it pulled back, then I'll add some more to get it lower so it could rip through. As soon as it ripping through, I'm already in the profit. So those are the things, some of the things I do. No, you know, not all the time. I'll wait for my levels. Yeah. Look, and I could have took this trade short again because look what it did. Same thing. Came here, bounced down. Now, this is the channel here. I'm going to put these two green for you so we establish a trading channel so you understand how my mind works. And then this would be a level of another support or breakthrough. Okay. The red line here. Okay, let's get rid of this one. See, that's early. That was a great trade on NVDA this morning. And again, you don't have to take everything. You know what I mean? You see, some people take everything and then they become like, oh man, boom, and wind up, you don't remember how much you made in that trade, or you think you remember, and then you say, okay, let me go this way, I'm going to take some more from the market, and the market just came back and said, I just gave you that. What you need? You need more? Okay. You need more? Okay, let me take this back from you, since you don't want it. Yeah, man, you gotta know when. Like, yeah, you gotta know. Yeah. You're done. You're done for the day. Which day was that, Mark? Right. Which day I was done in, like 2 days ago? EMPH. In 30 seconds, EMPH dropped $10 in 30 seconds. I got in a part of that, and that was it. I was done. I said, you know what? I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm not going to force it. I'm not going to. I mean, I wasn't done literally because I had to come on and trade with you guys. But at that point, my minimum trade wasn't as aggressive as it would be from that. I'm not going to lose all of that. So from that point, it was, if I was taking 500 shares of a stock, I would take 200. If I normally take 1,000, I would take 500. If I was normally take 4,000, I would take 2,000. You know what I mean? The MPH is back at 212. Look at that channel. So we established support. We established a trend channel. So the next thing is underneath this this 212, right? Let's put. So we established the trend channel. Okay. 212. So bounce down, rejected. Let's see what it does here. So only two things is going to happen, ladies and gentlemen. And I don't know how many ladies are watching. I know there's mainly more gentlemen watch my channel. But if you're out there, the only two things going to happen. It's going to come down and break this 212 and go down lower, where we could have an advantage of it. And come down here, bounce again, and then here you are. VWAP rejection here, back down. Up through VWAP. Support, up, rejected. VWAP breakdown, and look where the support is. Right here. Look where resistance is. Look at that resistance, tight. Another one. Support becomes resistant, right? Let's have another line. And we're just talking about EMPH, okay? Look at the resistance. Because this is support right here. Support, support. Now this becomes resistant. Now, for it to break resistance, we need some volume behind this to push this through it. But then look at VWAP. Another resistance here on VWAP. Let's do that. So there's different variables that is happening that you got to pay attention to. Look at this one. Yeah. Yeah. Just showing you. So there's the first one, right? The second possible one is right here. So I'm looking for this right here. I'm waiting. I'm chilling. Now, if I'm a good scalper, I'm going to scalp it through here to here. And that's it. But I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for more. I'm looking for more. Right? So I want to see it through it, just like I would break through here. And then at this point, I'm selling 3/4 of the trade out because look what it did here. Went sideways, leave a partial, right? And if it does decide to run again and come back to VWAP and bounce again, then look. Look at this resistance up here. One more. You got to break through that to go higher. And people would draw this line here, this line here, and this line here. It's all what you feel. And we're just going to watch this develop. I mean, I'm not I'm already in it at 205.63 with the partial. Okay. Just to give you an example, look at SPY. Look where I caught it. 418. Now, if the SPY come back up here, what you think I'm gonna do? Watch EMPH develop here, ladies and gentlemen. Just want to show you. I mean, I don't have to do anything else. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna flip the disc to show you something. Look at net. Look at net now. Look at net now. Look at net now. Thought it was a losing trade? No, because I established my stop loss. Boom. The stock ain't doing nothing. It's going to do two things. Either it's going to go up or it's either going to go down. You establish your range. Where the range that we established right here, right? That was the range, that purple line. This was the trading channel here, this green one and this red one, and we use this red one as our stop loss, right? It pulled back. I didn't get out because it didn't hit my stop loss. So I just hold my position. Don't get out the stock if it doesn't hit your stop loss. That's why I set the stop loss. You see on the other trade that we trade on NVDA, right? Let's go back to it. So NVDA. 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 Look what it did. It came and hit my stop loss, and I was out, right? Here. We took it, strength, rejected at the VWAP, I established my stop loss there, came through it, boom, I was out. That's it. Now, we need more strength. If you're a scalper, now you would want to look for this resistance here. Okay, back to VWAP. But remember, look at VWAP. There's rejection at VWAP. So if you're that type of trader that like to trade through, you can scalp it through, and just know that once you get to the VWAP, you're looking for either a VWAP breakthrough with momentum, with volume, will take you higher, or you're just going to take it to the VWAP and come out. Yeah. That's it. Just like we established, breakdown, support becomes resistant. So, boom. Okay. And those were two trades. And as you could see, those were two of the stocks from the stock picks this morning. So it don't matter what time of day you come back, you check the stock. If the stock is playing into your strategies, then you could make a trade. It don't matter what the stock is doing, as long as your strategy is there in place. You just got to develop about at least 5. There's a lot more you can, but have at least 5 strategies so you just don't play the market in one way. Say you got a downtrend strategy and you don't have an uptrend strategy. You know, you got to have different variables to trade this market, because the market just don't go one way all the time. Yeah, so trade up, trade down, they trade choppy, they trade sideways, and then, yeah, so those are the two. You got up, down, right? You got choppy all over the place. You have no volume, right? And then you have sideways action, where everybody is just at an even kill, right? The sellers is not bigger than the buyers, and the buyers is not trying to push the stock up, and the sellers is not trying to push the stock down. Everybody just, okay, let's chill, let's go have lunch. And then when we come back from lunch, let's see who's more aggressive. And then you gotta look at the market, whatever the market is doing. That's not only us, but watch the market. Okay. So, remember what I said about taking your partial into the strength of the stock. Look, this is just for training purpose. And go. Boom, net, right? So net, we said, this is our target area, right? I took my first partial. Look, there you go. I'm sticking by that because that's what I set up. If anything happened now, I already pay myself first. And my stop loss is going to be at that 59, right? I'm going to do 59 as my stop loss and secure what? 12 cents? Absolutely. And I'll never lose in that case, right? 59. Okay? I care less what the stock do after that. I already took my partial, and I'm going to secure 12 cents if it comes back down. If I really want to be, I'll put it right below the next candle bottom end tier right here, which is 59.11. Okay? If I really want to secure it, right? That'll be another what? 23 cents. Yeah, I like 23 cents, but it don't matter where you take it. It's not like it's a wrong or right, as long as you're not taking it for a loss and you're not giving it back to the market. Your stop loss could be anywhere your heart desires. Okay? But rule of thumb, what other traders always do, they say the next candle, the previous candle. It's just like if you was going to trade the stock down, then this would be your stop loss, and then the stock is heading down, right? And those are just the basic rules with trading. Those are just basic. Everything else you got to develop. Your trading style, your technique, everything else comes. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that. And that's just a different trading technique. Nothing on lift. Lift this side, that 1030 is going to be that area. It's in that trading channel on that. Nothing. You know what I can't believe? BuzzFeed. Look at that candle. Look at BuzzFeed candle. It came, that spike at, look at that candle at 8:05 yesterday. Today, I mean. Look at that 8:05 candle. All the way to 150 and spike all the way to 179, 175, $1.75. Now, if that candle was from the bottom here and straight up all solid, poof. I love stuff like that. BuzzFeed is all over the place. I have a position in BuzzFeed that's 223. No. I'm long it. I have a position at 223. No, that's a long-term buy. Yeah. Sean, how you doing, Sean? Everything good? If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, ladies and gentlemen, please and thank you. Appreciate that. Oh, yeah, nothing. Yeah, nothing ain't going on in the market. I guarantee in the power hour something will start moving. Yeah. Yeah. And I do, when I'm here sitting down sometime, I read myself affirmations sometimes just to give me, just give me positive vibes, you know? Hey. Rich is in the building. Yeah. Yeah. Good stuff, Rich. That's what I'm talking about. And two of the things I was talking about, positive affirmation, if you look here. Yeah, look. I have it on a piece of paper. Yeah, I'm gonna read it. I'll put it. See it? No, on YouTube. Yeah. Okay. Let me see on look, there you go. See it there? There you go. So just to when you feel like, oh man, these things are not working for me, I'm like, man, all right, let me go back and I look over to my left and I read some of the stuff that I have. I go to my 5 trades, keys to trading, when I feel like I'm losing on trades, or or feel like this trade didn't work out. You know, I do 3 or more trades and I'm losing, then I gotta get up, come back to the computer and revive myself again. And these are some of the things I look at. Yeah, exactly. And then I use, you know, go back to my things and words I shouldn't use. It won't work. It can't be done. It's useless. It's stupid. No, none of that. All those are negative words. So I get back into positive vibes and just, I chill. I chill. Yeah. Yeah. I get in my, yeah, the right mindset. Mm-hmm. Exactly. That's it. You know, accept it, and then move on. If you get 4, Andre asks, what if you get 4 losing trade? I'll turn the computer off because I didn't set myself. If from the get-go I get 4 losing trade, I didn't set myself up if I'm gonna have 4 losing trade off the get-go. If I get 4 losing trade off the get-go, I'm turning the computer off. Tomorrow is another day. That's how I would treat that. Right. Yeah, and exactly. You could revenge trade, and it's worse. And not only that, if I start off with 4 losing, that mean I didn't set myself up to win, right? So my mindset is already, I'm green today. That's my mindset, waking up, getting up. My mindset is green. I'm looking for stock picks of the day that give me the best possibility of being green. Now, with that being said, I don't know what's going to happen in the market. All I know that I get up with the intention of being green. And that's the only thing that my intention and focus is on. It's not on, if this doesn't work, I'm not putting that in my mind at all. I'm not. I'm putting on green, green, green. And that's it. That's it. I'm not focusing on if it goes wrong. If it goes wrong, it's out of my control. The only thing that I could control is me setting up to be green. Yeah, so that's how I do that. Yeah, with stocks though. You know, like say we all here, right? And you have something different to do after you finish here. Like in a few minutes, maybe in another 20 minutes or so, I gotta hand the studio over, right? So you may not have things to do after here. You know, you could just shut the computer down and then that's it. You go about, do whatever you do. After I get off here, my mind is in here. I'm not trading anything because I'm done for the day, right? I'm in here and I'm in stocks. I'm going here. I'm setting up my alerts. I'm setting up what tomorrow is going to be, what the next day is going to be, what 3 days from now is going to be, right? So now I'm looking towards Monday already, even though it's Friday. I'm already have an idea of what stock I may take on Monday, but it may change when the market open on Monday, right? So I have my list. I say, okay, I'm going to look at these on Monday because on Friday these stock end like this or close at this, all right? And then set up my stuff. and then pre-market open, I look at those stocks that I wanted to trade on Monday. If it's not in my plan, okay, I put them aside and then look for new ones, because now the day gave me new ideas. So I always got a backup plan just in case. So when you see me say, hey, look at this real quick, it's because I did the research and the alert comes and I could take that trade, boom. It will be a green trade, okay? And that's how I do my thing when it's all said and done. When the market closed, I'm still working. Right. 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 And then that. So you could look for, like say we here, and Edwin may say a stock. Okay, let's look at that. That could be an opportunity. Or I could say, hey, Yasin was in here. Okay, look at Meta. What's going on with Meta? Look at mRNA. Like, look at NET right now. Look at NET. This was a stock that we were sitting down here waiting on, right? It never. Yeah, it's, I don't know. Just one of those things with YouTube. Yeah, FinViz is right here. We'll give you the, go ahead. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like the sectors. I like going to the sectors. That's where I go. I go and I look for green sectors like energy. You could go to utilities. You could go to healthcare. You could go to consumer defense. You could go to the like healthcare, financials. There's so many different areas, and look for the deepest red. Like NVDA is red today. Tesla is red. Netflix is red. CRM is red. You know, those are the real red ones. You know, and then you could go to ABBV. That's real green. It's up 2.47%. XOM is up, and then I'll look at that, and then I'll go to, for example, XOM, ExxonMobil. Yeah, and look and see if it's in your trading strategy. Look at look at ExxonMobil. Now, if I had looked at, say, ExxonMobil today without the stock pick of the day, because I don't like to go into FinBiz because it's a day late and it only give you up to date when the market is open. It don't give you before that. It's a day behind. So if I was looking at ExxonMobil today, look at the great opportunity to 117. Look at this break through the VWAP. VWAP is one of my favorite breakthrough trades. So this would be perfect for me. Boom. Support 118. So you get 1 point out of ExxonMobil over the VWAP. Boom, 1 point. Pull back. Another support and then bounce again at 118. Now we at 119 up here again. That's perfect. If I'm going to look to trade ExxonMobil, it's so strong today. Okay? On a pullback, I'm taking it on the 118.60 right here. Okay? But then you take it on the 118.60, look where the support is again. 118.38. Look where another support is again. 118.05. So it all depends on what you want to do. There's so many different support because it breaks like that to the upside, right? And creates a bunch of support areas. Now, if you really want to wait, you want to wait till it comes down here to 117 or 118. See what it does here. Look at that. And that's VWAP. Yeah. Because it's been running all day. I'll tell you right now. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we bullish like that too. Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely. So look at XM for example here. We got rejection up here. Look at top spike. We got a rejection here. Okay. Boom. Look at support right there. So you'll be looking for maybe a 20 cents, a 30-cent move, right? Let's set something up here before I hand this. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you would have to wait. You would have to wait. Unless, see pre-market, this is what I would be watching pre-market if I was. You see the low here, and then you see the high of this candle here. Look at it. If I draw a line, look where it's at when it opens up. Look, it start building pre-market support VWAP. So VWAP support and bounce. Boom. So I would be setting a trade for this area right here. Boom, out. I'm done. I'm done. Yeah. You know? Support. Yeah. The stop loss. Yeah. Yeah. But you see what I do sometimes, like today I did it. I did it on which one? Was it, yeah, perfect example, net. I did it on net. 59 was the entry on net, right? Yeah. Yeah. And it may not come up here today, but let's see what happened Monday. So this area where it fell from, let's see if Monday will get that up. It may get there in pre-market and then bounce, because this stock was supposed to be up today, right? Yeah. 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 Look at this candle here. Look at this solid candle here. Look at this one on net. Look at it. Boom. And then that was it. Through pre-market. Tried it one more time. Rejected. Use the VWAP. Boom. Break through it again. Okay. Come back down. Using the VWAP. Pressed it again one more time. Okay. Couldn't do it. So we said, okay, you're not going to do it? Let's take you down. Rejected. Boom. We got it through the VWAP. Down. And we wrote it down. Couldn't. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I study charts, man. I love this. There you go. The partial on net. There you go. No need to say anything else. No. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's why I do my picks and do the entries before I even get on the platform. Yeah. So my mm-hmm. Yeah. Pre-market is my thing, man. I'm in and out, man. Yeah. Yeah. Because that time frame, yeah, I just want to be zoned in. Because if I'm doing this and doing that, I'll miss a trade or two because I'm looking at this. I want to get that part of my day done, and then I could play around and answer question, and by that time my mind is already green, and then everything else is just bonus after that. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely, man. Each one teach one. Uh-huh. Yeah. That's how you get some edge, Rich. Mhm. If I go to bed at 5, I guarantee you I'm up at 6. Mm-hmm. It takes a while. It takes a while. You gotta watch it. I mean, I watched charts for years. I watched Apple for maybe 3 to 6 months. We were just talking about XOM, right? Look at it. Look at it. Here it comes. It's tired. But I wouldn't go short yet. I need the signs to tell me. I need the chart to tell me. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And right, right, right. And then again, it's, hey, that's it. And that's why you say, that's why you say, that's why I say sometimes if I miss it, I wait. I wait for a pullback or wait for it to come back to some other area where I could take it long. But if I miss it, I'm not going to chase it. It's very rare that I chase a stock. Like, which one was it? ENPH, right. I missed it short because I was focusing on the stock picks. And I said, okay, I waited all day while everybody, you guys were in it already, right? And I was saying to myself, I should have took it like how I took it the day before. And you guys already had took the stock. And I said, okay, I'll wait. And we went to 1 minute, and then we established an entry on the 1 minute, and we rode it right up. I still got my entry. Yeah, 205.63. I'm still holding. And I just took partial out. Off of partial. Yeah, you know, so, oh well. The same thing happening to DSF. Mark, not, still holding it, you know. 95.54. Okay, here goes Exxon. Okay. Huh? Okay. Not per se. Not per se. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So if I'm gonna trade Exxon, if I'm gonna trade it, because I'm not gonna trade anymore, this is gonna be it for me. Because I'm a little bit loud when I'm in here. It's, I get excited, so you know it's only right. So if I'm gonna look to trade Exxon because it's been up all day, this is the area I'm gonna look for it to short it on this 1860, and look for VWAP. See if we could come back to this area here. Let me get back here. Yeah. There. There you go. So I'm looking for here. But then again, in that process, in my mind, I'm looking for support here. So This could be another support even though it pulled back. Here goes another support here. Here goes another support here. Okay? Here goes another support. So if what I'm gonna play this for, I'm playing it through here, through this candle here. See this big candle where it engulfing candle? I'm playing it to that. And that would be my profit. That's only if it breaks the first one. First support, we could bounce again. Continue the trend. If it doesn't, there go the next support, and this becomes your profit window. Right? So you measure the bottom of this candle and the top of this candle, and that would be your profit window. Okay? So here go your, this is where you would break it from. You see what I did here? Boom, boom. Then your profit window would be this right here. But in between your profit window, look at the support area right here. So it would be half, right? If it breaks those, then look, there's another one. There's another one right here. You know? So Exxon did great on the way up, but on the way up, look what it formed. It forms so many different support area and bounce, right? So coming back down, it could stop at any one of those and bounce again. So it's all about what you're gonna decide to do. Okay? You're gonna let it ride. And look, I'm not gonna take this trade because I'm getting ready to go, but watch that develop to the downside on the rejection. And each time you, say if you start with, say 2,000 shares, right here I will take 5. The next one I'll take 5 if it breaks that, and I'll take it as it goes down till I get to my last partial. And then you just move your stop loss down. At any one of those places. Absolutely. And some and some stock created that. Now, if say this was straight up like that and didn't make any support area, it just went straight up, all you would do from the top and use the VWAP and say it could come right back down like a jet plane. No, not even use those anomalies. A bird, or you know, a bird falling out of the sky. You know, nothing to slow it. There's no area for it to stop unless it start creating its own support. Yeah. So I wait. It could be a support or it could be an area for breakdown. So, you know, just like how you traded through it, you traded right through it on the opposite side. And not only use as support as well, you could use it as a trade to break through to the downside as a breakdown. Same thing as a resistant. It came up, resistant, and bounced right back down. Which trade we were looking at with that? Perfect example on that trade, net. Look at net now. Huh? Look at that. But look where we got it from. From 90, right? 58. Look at 58. And we established the stop loss. That was previous candle. Right? My stop loss is the previous candle. Let's go. Oh, Andre just finally short AMD. Let's look at that, and that would be now it's on a reversal now. Look at ExxonMobil. find that support area we were talking about, right, Rich? Saw that? AMD. So my long for AMD would be over this 8130 and get through the VWAP. I'm not looking at it before that. It could do whatever it wants to do, but we could establish a trading channel on it. That's support. And let's get another. There you go, right here. And we change this to purple so we have different areas here. Yeah, look at the look at the volume coming in now, right? So some traders will say, wait for at least 5 green candles to determine a trend, right? Right? Some you could do 3, you could do, depends on your trading style. Again, you gotta have a trading technique. Some guys take it right off the green right here because it's established a bottom. Some people like to do that. I don't like to do that. I like to see more people come in that allow me more volume and that determine my share side. Right. So I need more people coming in. I could go with a bigger share side and boom, in a shorter distance. Yeah. Right? And then boom, I come out and then I let the partial ride, which look at the partial that I took from net. When I took into the strength of the stop. Boom, out. My first partial was into the strength of the stop. I always take my partial into the strength of the stop and let whatever happen after that. And then I move my stop loss up to protect that profit. Or move my stop loss to my entry to secure my green day. And what comes after that, I don't care. It could fall to the ground, And if it's falling to the ground and I could have an opportunity to go at it again, why not? It's in my trading strategy, right? There you go. But if you feel comfortable that trade was it for you for the day, go ahead, man. Give yourself a round of applause. Turn off the computer and I'll be on the golf course. Yeah. So for me, I got to turn the studio over to my significant other, and there you go. Phone start ringing. All right. Hold on. Hello. I'm there, you know. We're not later. Where are they? For what? Ah.